Hey guys, Sylwia here. Just a quick video. I have an update for you, especially for Commission Gorilla lovers. Okay. And now I have been chatting with Matt Garrett. Okay, Matt Garrett is like the JV manager behind Commission Gorilla. Okay. So I was just asking him. I know he's like way past the Volume 3 relaunch of Commission Gorilla. And I was just talking to him and like, my affiliate links are still gonna work, and all of that to do with it. Because obviously it's an evergreen product. Commission Gorilla is a supreme quality, very newbie friendly, easy to use with free hosting, bonus page builder with some amazing cool features. I mean, I did review it. I did like a thorough review of this software when it relaunched for the third time, I believe in January this year, 2023, right? And I prepared some tutorials on how to grow your email list using Commission Gorilla, very, very cool way, and like how to do that, okay? How to connect everything, how to integrate with the autoresponder. So I did that tutorial, and then I did another tutorial on how to build the bonus page in a very fast way because they give you templates. So you can use, there is also this import feature that you can actually, like some vendors actually share like a template to the bonus page inside the JV page. Okay, so whoever wants to promote the product has the import code for that specific bonus page in Commission Gorilla. And if you happen to be the affiliate, you want to promote a product of a vendor that provides that import code, you can take it and boom, just install it quickly here. Obviously, this is Commission Gorilla. Okay, I'm not gonna obviously give you a walk through this product. Watch my review if you want. I'll attach the links to the tutorials and review in the description box below this short video, like an update video. That's really why it's exciting. Hold your horses, I'll tell you, okay? But I just want to show you where you actually input the import code. You see, like here, you paste in the code, click OK, and boom, you have the whole like page ready for you. Just edit it with your details, like your affiliate link. Obviously, you can change up the some details like your picture, this and that, and like you have your bonus page ready within minutes. So it's a supreme quality again, guys. Super quality bonus page builder. Has been around the block, so to speak, for years and years. I mean, so many. I've forgotten how many copies it sold. Like 10,000 copies or something like that has sold so far. So maybe it doesn't necessarily mean like the fact that something has sold in thousands does not necessarily mean it must be good. Sometimes you have thousands of naive newbies who buy like those like push button systems products, and that does not mean the product is actually good. However, this one has withstood the test of time, so to speak. It's been like tested, battle tested, and very happy feedback from all of the buyers. Okay, guys, now the exciting news is that I have contacted again Matt and asked him if he could prepare like private promotions for me, for my buyers exclusively, because it has sold well for me, and people were happy with the product, and I would like to continue promoting it for those who missed the chance of picking it up at the launch, lower price, discounted price, but and kind of like had second thoughts about it, and think like, oh, I wish I had bought it when it was cheaper. So for those who want access still to the lower discounted price from the launch, here I come to the rescue, okay, guys? Because from me, and also like there's a bunch of bonuses I give you if you buy from me, amazing bonuses for that, to find out what bonuses specifically. and they will be delivered to you in the JVZoo, in your JVZoo account. So for the bonuses, you will need to watch my review to see what kind of bonuses I give you, okay? But sorry, my hair is a mess. But the review is in the description box below this video. Right, let me show you the prices. So you will have two options. So the first one will be two options sort of like on the front end with this offer specifically, okay? So you can get the 47, which is lifetime, but you will have some limitations here, okay? Now, for those who are serious and want the pro version with some extra features for serious affiliates, then I would strongly recommend this one for 67, and wait, you get a further discount with me. Okay, and that's yearly. But then, as OTO number 1, you will be offered a lifetime buyout for $87. Now, if you buy this one, this is yearly pro with some cool features, and you take into the checkout, watch this, the $5 discount for my buyers from this, from this sales page with, that will below my review specifically. This discount will be automatically applied, so you will actually get it for $62, just as it was during the launch. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna, obviously, you see, this is for me, exclusively for my buyers, very cool, okay, I appreciate that Matt went out of his way and prepared this page, especially for me and my buyers, very, very cool. And then, you have all of the demo here on this sales page, and all explained about Commission Gorilla, what it comes with, and this and that. So yeah, but this is not a review, guys. I'm not gonna bore you with that extra information. Watch my review if you want more details. Watch my tutorials on Commission Gorilla if you want to learn how to build a page with it, or how to grow your email list using Commission Gorilla, how to integrate everything and stuff like that. Alright guys, so that's it. Okay, love you and leave you. And if you want to take advantage of a low launch sort of price, discounted price, then buy it from me. Alright, the link below my review. Alright, love you and leave you, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.